Is that a diesel?
I think it is.
This is gonna be awesome, whatever it is.
That's not the tender.
That is not a tender.
Because all that thing had, like you noted, it had that one ditch light on the back.
Yeah, they must have turned her around or put the diesels in front.
Holy crap, that's bright.
Awesome. This is gonna be so cool. It's a diesel.
That's a diesel. Yes, guys,
your
we're
job.
rail fanning in the middle of the night here, and we are trying to catch a steam engine. And I think we caught a diesel. I'll do my job. They might not even see me.
They will. Oh, they can see us.
They're like, what the bleep are these people doing there? There she is. Alright, so that answers that, guys. I don't know if you could see that, and I don't even know if this video will be worth publishing, but that was the two diesels that we saw at Reading Outer Station, 425's auxiliary tender, and the star of the show, 2102, heading back to home base in Port Clinton. I'm in Hamburg, and this is exactly where we started our day about 12 hours ago. And now that it's out of sight,
Of course I missed it. Oh, wow.
that's a nice farewell, guys.
Toot toot.
Toot toot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the tracks.